Welcome to Firma. Today we've got this 1999 Holden HSV V8 VT Commodore, now available for sale. Have a look at this. This is a 5 litre. Paint presents well for its age. Interior presents nicely. Good head lining, nice seats. Doors close nicely as well. This is the 5 litre V8 SS Commodore. Have a look around. Currently showing 344,182 kilometers on the clock. Motor sounds healthy. Now available for sale and ready to drive away at Firma Trading Classic Cars and Bikes. Have a look at our website firmaauto.com for the best in Holden Classic anywhere in Australia. Thank you very much.